Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to run a disk check in your Windows 10 drive using command prompt. So you'll do this if you have like any corrupted issues on your drive, or you feel your Windows is very stuttery and laggy. It might be caused of a corrupt drive, so it's good to do this every now and then. So we're going to use command prompt to do this. Okay, so first off, we need to find what is your drive letter that your Windows drive is on. So we're going to go into your file explorer right here, go into this PC, and you can see it says local disk C. So this is my file, it's this is my drive, it says C. So we are going to make sure remember that, then go into your CMD at your search, just search CMD and run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you're going to use the command chkdsk chkdsk space capital C colon. It might be different for you, but for me it's C. Okay, then space / NF. Click on enter. Give it some time to load. It will take some time. Okay, so this is very expected since it does not run the disk check if Windows is on, because it's a Windows based drive. So you need to restart your computer to start the disk check, but make sure before doing that, click on Y here. Okay, click on Y and enter to start your disk check, and then you restart your computer and your disk check should run, and if there's any corrupted files, it will fix the issue. So that's all for this video, guys. A very simple process, very simple command, and if it helped you, do drop a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I think that's about it for me. So thanks for watching, folks.